Void House, a farmhouse nestled amidst sprawling farmlands, offers a serene escape from the urban clamor. The client's desire for ample farming space and a peaceful weekend home was expertly realized through its strategic placement and thoughtful design. The farmhouse, positioned diagonally opposite the road intersection, maximizes farming land while creating a sense of spaciousness and privacy. A carefully planned walkway leads visitors to a tranquil courtyard, inviting a moment of pause and orientation before entering the building. The structure, positioned between the courtyard and farmland, features parallel walls that support the floating roof, creating a captivating interplay of covered and semi-covered spaces. These walls not only divide the plot into open areas, but also serve as buffers, connecting the courtyard and farmland. The northern side of the building opens into a private internal courtyard, housing the sleeping areas, while the southern side extends towards the farmland, encompassing the living, kitchen, and dining spaces. Strategically raised walls enhance the spatial organization and ensure privacy, while the staircase block, positioned between the parallel walls, offers a picturesque backdrop and a unique journey from the entrance to the void. The void, a sanctuary of open sky, is the heart of the farmhouse. Here, one can slumber beneath the celestial expanse, finding solace and security. The design allows the family to fully embrace the outdoors while maintaining privacy, fostering a sense of breathing space and isolation from neighboring farmhouses. Deep verandas expand the habitable spaces towards the courtyard, and the dining area seamlessly connects to both the courtyard and the farm, offering flexibility in dining arrangements. Void House is a harmonious retreat that celebrates the beauty of nature and the tranquility of rural life. Its thoughtful design creates a space where the family can connect with the land, enjoy the outdoors, and find peace in the embrace of the void. Thank you for watching this video about Void House by PK_INCEPTON. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos about architecture, design, and sustainable living. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks again for watching.